Oh my days. Oh. Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title today, we are going to open my first ever Snackcrate subscription. This is so exciting, it's unbelievable. There is so many different options that you can choose. Each month is a different country. This I believe is the Hawaiian theme and it's from May. My June one is already in customs, so I'm hoping that comes soon as well. Welcome to this month's snacking adventure. Get social with us, share your snack experience, #Snackcrate. So, let's see what it says. These snacks are expired. Just kidding, they aren't. But you might think that if you don't pay close attention to the date format. Ah, yes, okay, so it's telling us because of the US and the UK format. So want more snacks, visit snackcrate.com/shop. So we have this wee booklet on Hawaii and it gives us all information. The population is 1,427,538. So then it tells us what is in. So this is what you get in the mini. If you get the original, then you get these items. And if you get the family size, you also get these ones here. I'm not looking at them because I want to be surprised. So look at this. We have lots and lots of crisps by the looks of things. Oh, this is so exciting. Okay, so let's get stuck right in because I don't know about you, but I'm excited to find out what Hawaiian snacks are actually like. So the first item I'm lifting out here is Hawaiian brand kettle style potato chips. And this is sweet and spicy, crispy and crunchy. There's not a really strong smell from them. Wow, they're very crunchy. Oh, I'm getting the spice. Oh yeah. Oh wow. It's a real paprika sort of taste. Let's see. Wow, that is crunchy. So this is Tim's Cascade Snacks. These are delicious. The next item is by Tim's again, Hawaiian brand sweet Maui onion rings. I'm not actually going to open these for the simple fact you can get onion rings the world over. So I'm going to keep these and share them with Thomas instead. Alrighty, so our next one is Maui style Maui onion potato chips. Honestly, my mouth is watering. I mean, I didn't think that the last ones had a really strong smell either, so, I mean, who am I? I can't get over how crunchy they are. They are good, but they're not blowing me away like the first ones are. So the next item we have from the Diamond Bakery is Lilikoi Hawaiian Biscuits. I do apologise for my pronunciation of any of these items. Oh. The biscuit is very sweet. The powder on top is very bland or something. It just tastes like flour on the top that is just there. Yeah, like it does. It just tastes like I'm licking flour, but the actual biscuit is really tasty. Crunchy biscuits infused with lilikoi flavour. We think you will be passionate to eat more than just one. Okay. They are very tasty once you get into them, but very bizarre. Like that first, as you go to put it in your mouth, it's just very, very bland. But once you get past that, they are really, really tasty. I think these are Seaweed Crackers. Nope. Oh my goodness. It's a senbei cracker with seaweed. So crunchy rice crackers dusted with dried seaweed. That explains the saltiness. Oh my goodness. That was delicious. It's so crunchy. I honestly cannot get my head around how crunchy everything is. Okay, next we have Asia Trans Li Hing Mui. I cannot apologize enough. So anyway, these are rainbow belts. I don't know whether they're sour. I love sour belts. Oh my days. Oh. Oh my goodness. Delicious brightly colored gummy strips. Yeah. Dusted with Li Hing Mui powder, which gives the perfect blend of salty and sweet. Oh no. No. These are not for me. So what is this? We have Hawaii Kona blend coffee with milk in a can. Okay, cheers. Yeah, I mean, this would be lovely if it was over ice. I could see how I would really thoroughly enjoy drinking that. Okay, so the next item we're going to try is Tuna Jerky. This is teriyaki. I do like teriyaki. So, I've never had Tuna Jerky. So I am intrigued. Very, very, very intrigued. It's not as tough as beef. I'm not sure. Who can resist the teriyaki flavour? Not too sweet, not too salty, but just right. We make our own teriyaki sauce from scratch with real ingredients. It's definitely growing on me. It is very fishy. So they've lemon salt, peppered, original teriyaki and honey glazed. Yeah, made with 100% wild caught tuna. I mean, I could definitely eat that whole bag. What's this? Milk chocolate, handmade on Maui Wowie. So it's milk chocolate, Kona coffee and caramel. Well, that's cool. It says Wowie on it. I was hoping it would have been in chunks. Oh, rubbish. Okay, so it's, I mean, the caramel. Oh, wow. I'm on board for this. That is delicious chocolate. Hawaiian Cookies. This is from the Diamond Bakery again. This is candy bead. cute. They are good. So this whole bag apparently is 240 calories. Oh, that doesn't seem real. Alrighty, next, what do we have? This is very hard. Okay, so this is Pineapple Shortbread by Piaka. This authentically Hawaiian treat is made of all native ingredients, featuring sweet shortbread and a real pineapple filling. Okay, so it's very thick. Oh, yummy. This is just making me want to go to Hawaii more. So then we have the White Rabbit candy, and we have a few of these in there. They're lightly sweet milk chews made with whole milk powder. The inner wrapper is made of edible rice paper. And these are hard. This is bad. Okay, that was tough. That was probably one of the hardest sweets I've ever chewed through. What have we got next? We have High Chews, which I'm sure I've had in America, but I haven't had these flavours. So we have mango and acai. Immensely fruity, intensely chewy. Okay, good. I thought they were going to be really huge, but they're not. And you can see the white in them. I love chewy sweets like this, so these will be a favourite. Hawaii Pretz Pineapple. So we pretzel sticks with bits of pineapple in it. Yeah, I can definitely smell the pineapple. It's a very subtle flavour. It's more like a pineapple dusting. But they'd be good for a snack. 150 calories in a box. So this is Choco Maki, chocolate covered Japanese rice crackers. The chocolates, it's like a cheap chocolate. Wouldn't be my cup of tea. It's a bitter chocolate. For being milk chocolate, it is quite bitter. Kona Crunch, chocolate covered macadamia nuts with rice crisp. Okay, so they come in a wee bun casing. Now that I can get behind. Comes with 2 of those. I'll keep that other one for Thomas. We have the wee pineapple gummies. So that's what the pineapple looks like. Sour sugar on top. Oh yeah, they're good. I like those. Hawaiian brand. Oh, this is the Tim's Cascade Snacks. And this is jalapeno fired flavor crisps. So I'm very excited to try these. They never smell really strong. Burning of the tongue. Burning of the tongue. They are sure to start a fire on any occasion. These subtly spicy chips will make you break out in a dance because they're not just jalapeno, they're jalapeno. Okay, next we have classic sweet potato chips. Oh, wow. I mean, the salt is very, very subtle. The next item we have by Hawaiian Host is Maui Caramax, creamy caramel and macadamia covered in milk chocolate. Oh, I didn't expect it to be chewy. I thought it was going to be like the last ones. Homemade caramel. I think it's a hard candy. Yeah, it's a hard candy. So, what the heck? Why are we eating stone of a plum? Why? Why would we be eating this? It's very weird. So next we have Island Princess Caramel Corn Hawaiian Style. So this is the chocolate one. So I'm assuming we have chocolate and caramel. Okay, so we have one that's covered in chocolate. Again, the chocolate has that it's okay. The caramel ones are reminiscent of Buttercrisp. And our last item then is the Mango High Chew. Right away I'm tasting mango. It says fruit flavour released with every chew. So true. So there you go, my lovelies. That is my first ever Snackcrate. I'm already so excited to see what comes in the next one. I don't know what country it is yet. I haven't actually looked. I haven't watched anybody's videos just in case they've got theirs. But yeah, so looking over this, I mean, it is a ridiculous amount of snacks. I've loved everything except maybe the gummy strips were awful. So I didn't like those. The hard candies were weird. They weren't awful. I just didn't really understand them. But apart from that, I don't think there was anything else that I really didn't like. I do see a lot of Asian influence with the Hawaiian candies, which is very interesting. I wouldn't have known that that was something that happened, that they would have taken a lot of Asian influence. But it is very, very evident here. I was very surprised at how much I liked the Tuna Jerky. So I wouldn't turn down trying that again. The rabbit candy, I did not like it. There wasn't enough flavour and it was far too hard to chew properly. So I don't know what I'll do with those. I will give them to somebody who doesn't mind their teeth coming out. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it, and leave a comment down below. Have you ever tried the likes of Snackcrate or Snack Surprise or anything like that where you can try snacks from around the world. I'm really excited at the prospect of trying different cultures, snacks and treats and things like that. Cannot wait to see what comes next. Anyway, yeah, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification and all of that jazz, and I will see you next time. Love you. Bye bye.